Can you please tell me your timetable?
Okay, a timetable, it is not something that is fits all, fits everyone type of a method.
Hello.
You basically need to have an understanding as to how much you can grasp and how much you can study. If you take a book on history or if you take a book on geography, see how much time you take to read one chapter. Okay, it could just be something on, say, the Himalayan mountain structure. Just see how much time you take to read that. Suppose you take 2.5, 3 hours to understand it thoroughly. That means that you are a pretty slow reader. Okay, if you take about 2 hours, 1.5 hours, then you mean you are pretty good at reading. Your speed is pretty good. So what you have to do is like plan accordingly, and every week set targets. Okay. For me, since I was working for the last 3 years, from 2009 to 2012 when I went to training, what I used to do is, I used to take out 2 hours in the morning and about 4 hours in the evening. Okay? Because I had to prepare for my classes as well as for the exams. So mornings I used to basically do my optional studies because it used to be part of my job. I used to teach psychology, so I used to do my optionals right in the morning. So psychology study in the morning for 2 hours. General studies, and I used to prepare sometime for the newspaper in the morning. So about 40 minutes for the newspaper in the morning. Then after 4 hours in the evening, probably I would do some bit of history for 1 week. Then next week would be geography. Then next week would be something in polity. And you would just keep continuing the cycle. And current affairs would be the last thing I would do in the day. Like say if I'm going to sleep around 11:30, 12, the last 1 hour would be from the magazines, from newspaper, editorial, which I would have cut in the morning or which I would have asked someone to cut for me in the morning. I would read them the last thing in the day. So this would be my weekly timetable. Saturdays, Sundays, I would probably devote more time. Once in a month, I would take off totally. I would not touch my books at all. I would probably go out with my friends or my family out. But otherwise, the rest 3 weekends, I would make sure that I put in at least 10 to 12 hours on the weekend. And that would include right from morning to evening, there would be no distractions like some guest is coming home, so you sit there and you help your mom, nothing. It would just be studies. So that's how I used to plan.